Hello there, welcome back to the new lecture. So, in this lecture, we have to discuss how to make false ceiling in Revit architecture plan. So, let's start. So, here you can see I have created one plan. Okay, you can see in 3D view also. Here we have created bedrooms, okay, toilets, kitchen rooms, stores, and then a staircase. So here in this plan, I have not placed the door and window or other component that I will explain you because we have a separate topic for that. On that time, I will show you. Okay. So here you have to see that how we can make the false ceiling. Okay. So come here in plan view. So here you can suppose this is our bedroom 1, bedroom 2, and this is bedroom 3. So in this bedroom, suppose I want to place the false ceiling. So first here you have to identify at what height you want to place the false ceiling. So I want to see the total height of this room. So from where it is possible, see from elevation plan, hit on north view or any of the view. See here you will get the level 1 from where you have started to create the wall, and level 2 means the total height of this wall is 15 feet. Now suppose I want to create the false ceiling at 12 feet height. Okay, so come here in plan view. Now suppose if you want to create the false ceiling, so we know that we have a three types of false ceiling. Okay, plain false ceiling, tiles false ceiling, and step false ceiling. So that all we have to discuss here. So first of all, see, if you want to create plain and tiles false ceiling, so first in PB project browser, you have to open the ceiling plan. Go to any ceiling plan level. For example, level 1. Okay. So first of all, you have to open the ceiling plan like this, which I have done. Now in architecture tab, build panel, here you will get the option ceiling. Hit on that. Now when you hit here, you will get the two option in ceiling panel: automatic ceiling, sketch ceiling. Both I will discuss you how we can create the false ceiling, automatic and sketch. So when you come in this properties palette, here you can see first you will get the basic ceiling, means plain ceiling. Okay, and second you will get the compound ceiling, means tiles false ceiling. Okay, so there are different sizes available: 2 feet by 2 feet, 2 feet by 4 feet, and GWB on material stud. That different types of false ceiling is there. So suppose first I will show you how to create plain false ceiling. So from here in basic ceiling, you have to hit on generic. Okay, because I want to create the plain false ceiling. And here you have to see the level. Okay, at level 1, how much height offset from level you want to take, at what height you want this ceiling. Suppose I want this ceiling at 12 feet because total height of room is 15 feet. False ceiling height is suppose started from 12 feet. Okay, so here I have given 12 feet, apply. Getting? Now from here, modify tab, ceiling panel, you can select automatic ceiling. Suppose if you are selecting automatic ceiling, so don't need to do anything, just take cursor near to this room and hit inside the room. Automatically that ceiling is created. Hit on that. See, now the ceiling is ready. If you want to see in 3D, come here and see. See the ceiling which we have created. At what height? 12 feet. When you hit on this ceiling, 12 feet. And see, we have created plain false ceiling. That is why when you come here in top view, so it is look like a plane. Okay. So come here. If you want to see this false ceiling, so see what I am doing. Just remove the wall and see the false ceiling which I have placed here. Total room height is 15 feet, and we have placed the plain false ceiling at what height? 12 feet. Okay, if you want, see, if you want the detail of this false ceiling, you can see in PP properties palette, parameter is also given, area of that. And when you come here in edit type, hit on that edit type. Here you can see which type of material, generic material. If you want to change the material of this false ceiling, okay, you can change it from here. So now suppose I want to change the material. Okay, so first better is to duplicate, then change it. Hit on duplicate and write down plain false ceiling. Okay, hit on okay. Now in material, what I am doing, hit on this three dot. Now which type of material you want. So from here you can select any of the material. Suppose here I am selecting any of the material, just select. So plaster of Paris is available. Gypsum, okay, gypsum wall board is there, hit on that, then apply, okay. See the now the material is gypsum wall board, okay, hit on okay. See the material we have changed, but if you want to see the realistic material, so you have to open the drawing in realistic view, okay. See the material which you have taken, which type of material we have taken, gypsum board. See it's look like this, okay. So this is our plain false ceiling. Now come to here, press the Ctrl Z. I want the wall, okay. See now come to ceiling plan level 1. So in this way we have to create the plain false ceiling. Now suppose you want to create tiles false ceiling. So how we can create? Architecture tab, build panel, ceiling. Here we have a two option, as I told you. Automatic also you can create, which I have shown you. Sketch is also. So first of all, from properties palette, what I am doing here, we have a two size of tiles false ceiling, 2 feet by 2 feet. So if you want to take this, select it, and height offset from level, just from where you want to create, at what level, 12 feet. So I have given, okay. Now if you are selecting automatic ceiling, so just you have to hit inside the room, automatically ceiling will create. If you are selecting sketch ceiling, so what you have to do, from draw panel you can draw the skill where you want to draw. Suppose I am selecting the rectangle, from this point to this point I want ceiling, so I have drawn it, and then finally you have to hit on finish edit mode. Now see the ceiling is ready. So from top view, tiles fall ceiling, it's look like this. If you don't want this 2 feet by 2 feet, just select it. You want to draw 2 feet by 4 inch ACT system, select. See now your tile size is showing 2 feet by this one, 2 feet by 4 feet, okay. Suppose if you want 2 feet by 2 feet inch only square, select it. See now in 3D view also, when you see from top view it will look like this, but when you see from here, just remove this wall, and now see here the tiles is visible. See, okay. So the size of this tiles is 2 feet by 2 feet. In this way you can create the false ceiling, okay. Same thing, suppose this is our rectangular shape, but if you have any irregular shape, for example, let's say you want to create ceiling any area like you have drawn here. So for that, see what you can do, hit on this ceiling. Suppose I want to create compound ceiling only, hit on sketch ceiling. This is my kitchen area. Suppose let's say in kitchen area I want the ceiling up to here only, I don't want full. Let's, for your understanding purpose, I want to create the false ceiling. That is why you can use this sketch and hit on finish edit mode. Now you will get the false ceiling up to this area. See what you have done. See, we have created the ceiling in this area only, okay. So anything you can do from here. Now delete. Getting all of you? Same way, if you want to create architecture ceiling, so automatic ceiling, select it, automatic ceiling, hit inside the room like this. Here also, if you want in a store area, if you want to place the ceiling, hit on that. In toilet, hit, okay. Same way, now I will show you how to create a step false ceiling. So first of all, you have to know, before creating a step, what is our total room height. So already I have shown you in elevation, total room height is 15 feet, okay. Now I want to create the step of 2 feet, okay. Base of that step will start from 11 feet and top of that step at 13 feet, okay. I will show you how to create a step first of all, okay. So see what you have to do first. So see, it is not visible, false ceiling which we have created, it is not visible because we are in plan view. So if you want to see the ceiling, so hit on ceiling plan level 1. Now see the whatever ceiling you have drawn here, it is ready. So now I want to draw the step. So how to draw this step? First of all, in ceiling plan, in project browser, you have to open the level 1. Now come here in wall, architecture tab, build panel, wall. Okay. Then in PP, from here you have to select soffit half inch GWB and metal stud. Okay, I'm selecting this soffit. Now in option bar, height, how much you want this step which you are creating, how much height of that step. So I want 2 feet. So unconnected I have selected from here, and the height of wall I have written here 2 feet. Location line, from here just select finish face exterior, and offset how much you want to give. Okay, from this corner, so I want to give 1.5 feet offset. Then from draw panel I have selected rectangle from this corner to this corner, but see, because here the offset value I have taken plus 1.5, that is why here it is drawing like this. So if you want, so here write down minus 1.5 feet, and from this corner to this corner draw this step like this. If you want to see, come here in 3D view and see what we have done. Only we have created this step, but I have not given the base offset. So remember, you have to check once base offset is correct or not. See, so in this way, first of all, you have to create the step of that false ceiling. See, when I'm selecting here, the base offset is showing 11 feet. It is correct now. Now come here. You can check the base offset from here also. Select complete and see the base offset 11 feet, and the top of this step is 13 feet. Okay. Now I want to create the false ceiling. So what I am doing, architecture tab, build panel ceiling. From here, suppose I am selecting plain false ceiling. Okay, let's say hit on that. Now automatic ceiling and hit between this two ball, because I want ceiling here. At what offset you want, so you have to give the offset value. So base offset for this step we have selected 11 feet. So I want the ceiling at 11 feet and select it. So here the plain false ceiling is created, but it is not visible here because from top view, from plan view, plain false ceiling, it's look like this plain only. Okay, so now you can see in 3D view the ceiling we have created. So if you want to see, just remove this wall and see, here we have created the ceiling like this. This is our plain false ceiling. Now we have to create one more ceiling here in the top of this step. So come here in ceiling plan and first press the Ctrl Z, because I want the wall also. Now suppose inside this I want to create tiles false ceiling. So architecture tab, build panel ceiling. From here, suppose now I am selecting 2 feet by 2 feet, and you can use automatic ceiling. But see, when I am taking automatic, you will get the option, but sketch false ceiling is also there. Hit on sketch ceiling, select this shape which you want from this point. But before this, before creating the false ceiling, as I told you, first you have to check the height offset from level. Now I want ceiling at 13 feet. Okay, then select the shape and from this corner to this corner draw it. After that, modify tab, mod panel, finish, edit mode. Now see, the ceiling is ready. If you want to see the step false ceiling, just remove this wall, or you can change the reduce the transparency. See, the step false ceiling we have created. This is our plain false ceiling, and in the top of this step we have given tiles false ceiling like this. Okay, in this way we have to create the step false ceiling. Now come here. Suppose how to change that, all I have explained you. If you want to change the material, that also I have explained. You have to select the false ceiling, edit type. From here you can change the material. Okay, absorbance, whatever it is given, and here you can change the shape of this tiles false ceiling. If you don't want this type 2 feet by 2 feet, you want some other shape, so just select the complete false ceiling, tiles false ceiling. Here you will get the option different false ceiling is available. Otherwise, hit on edit type. From here you can change here in structure, hit on edit. First, better is to duplicate and then do the work. Okay, so in structure you can see here you can change the thickness, material also of this false ceiling which you have created. Everything option is given. Okay, so this is all about how to create false ceiling in Revit. So I hope all of you enjoy this session. See you in next one.